I picked up a bunch of Hot Wheels race team vehicles. I have this new for 2021 Sandburner. I have the Moto Wing. I have this race team. This one comes from K-Case. I had found this one a few weeks ago. This is the P-Case Sandburner. The Moto Wing is from Q-Case. And I have a bunch of, I have like 16 cars to show you guys. Let me just go ahead and grab these, get them out of the package. The Moto Wing Hot Wheels race team number 10 of 10. On this one, I'm gonna go real quick with these. Show you real fast. The Moto Wing. Top view. Big fat wheels in the back, skinny ones in the front. Nice tampo work on this one. Can you imagine sitting on this and driving this baby? Wow, look at that. Front end. There's the base. Real quick look at the base. And then I got this Sandburner, new for 2021. The Sandburner. New model for 2021. Has the mud flaps. All 4 tires are the same size, but the mud flaps behind each one. Big wing in the back. We do have the spare tire on top. Plastic lights in the front. Very cool. Check out the back end. New model, new model, new model. And then I thought I completed the set. There's so many coming out of these Hot Wheels race team. 2 of 10. I think this was one that was giving me a hard time to find it, and then I finally got one. Picked it up, put it in a corner, forgot all about it. I've had it sitting there since K-Case. So here it is, finally opened it up. From K-Case. This one's an HW 450F. HW 450F. It says it's marked on the card. And we'll just take a little look at it real quick. Got more to show you. The race team just keeps on growing and growing. I do have this one here, which I got a while back. The 69 Dodge Charger, Hot Wheels race team. And I can't remember what year this one's from, but it's marked copyright 2017 on the back. 69 Dodge Charger. I really like this one with the big number 8 there. A little bit of damage on this bubble. Haven't opened this one yet. And I have this custom 2018 Ford Mustang, which is really nice. This one's the Joey Logano. You see up here, Joey Logano on the card, holding the steering wheel. And his signature right there, or his autograph. 4 of 5 in this series. This one, I don't know if it was last year or this one's marked 2017. Can't remember when they issued this one. Hot Wheels race team. Well, these two are pretty cool. Also have this one here, the 2010 Chevy Impala. And this was 2 of 5 in the series. Hot Wheels race team, also marked, let's see, 2018 on this one. Copyright 2018. But another nice one. Then I have a bunch of loose ones. So these 3 I'm keeping on the card. I don't know why I haven't opened them yet, but maybe I'll get around to those. I don't know. This one's not marked, but this one's a Dodge. You can see right there. It's kind of similar to the Chevy Impala, but not exactly the same, but it's more or less that kind of car. I don't know what it is. Not a Dodge Challenger. Is it the Charger? Dodge Charger? I'm not sure. Number 3 on this one. Big Hot Wheels logo on the front. The Dodge name looks awesome there. Very cool. Here's the Charger. Again, from the race team, I have this one as well, which is the D100, which I was just showing that came out in orange now. Showing this one of my last videos. There they are, the orange and the blue version. Pretty cool. I have the Pro Stock Camaro. 2010 Pro Stock Camaro. And then we have the Scorcher, I think this one is. GT Scorcher. And we have this baby right here, which is the Nova. The Nova Gasser, 64 Chevy Nova Gasser, which I was talking about this one the other day. And here's the Indy 500 and the Whiplash. What is it? Whiplash? Where's the name on this one? Oh, I'm sorry, the Mad Splash, not Whiplash. The Mad Splash. That makes sense. The Mad Splash, which is really cool. And another cool thing, this Nova. I was looking for, because I was talking about this one the other day, that I had the blue one. And here it is. Just wanted to show that to you guys. Show you guys the 64 Nova Wagon Gasser. The blue version. In the metallic blue. Which is really, really nice. I was showing you guys the green one that I have the other day. And I also have the jerry-rigged light blue Chevy Nova Wagon Gasser, which looks really cool too. So I have these 3 versions which are kind of like a blue. So a metallic blue, a light blue, and then we have this one which is kind of like a flat blue with some metal flake in there, I think. Has like a little something going on. But there you go, 3 different Nova Gassers. And one of them is from the Hot Wheels race team, which is kind of cool. So a bunch of different Hot Wheels here. And then for some reason I was going to show you guys probably tomorrow with the batch of cars that I'm putting together, some of my new Red Edition finds. So I was looking for my Red Editions. I saw this one, so I put it up here because I just found it in one of my cases. I have a loose one, so I do have this one in the package and a loose one. I was lucky enough to pick up an extra one. So I want to keep this one packaged. Since I already have a loose one, I'm going to keep this one like this. And I got to check because I think I have these race team cars loose already, these 3. That's why I haven't, didn't want to go ahead and open them yet if I have them. But this is a Red Edition Target exclusive. So I wanted to show you some of the Target ones I have, maybe in an upcoming video. I did pick up this brand new one here, the Donut Drifter, which is not as nice. Not as nice as the Power Wagon. As you can see, the Donut Drifter, a car you can eat. Also a Red Edition exclusive from Target. And you can see back here where they say, congratulations, you just scored a Target-only exclusive vehicle. Collect all 12, so there's 12 of them. Find them throughout the year only at Target. And this is the new one I just picked up. It's copyrighted 2020, but it's from P-Case. And I just found this one at Target. So I gotta look and see what other ones. I know I have more Red Editions. I gotta see if I can find them in my cases and see what I have there. But I have opened some of my Red Editions, so I gotta look around, see, so I can put them together for you guys in a video. But here's a little sneak peek of a video that I might be putting together for you guys soon. Don't know if tomorrow, probably not tomorrow, just down the line. I'm gonna keep trying to find some more red editions and put them together for you. And then I do have that orange one, which I showed the other day, which is this one here. Just to let you know, in case you didn't see the video, that the race team, they're issuing them now in orange. They reverse the colors. So we have them like that now, and like this. So they're the new version, the orange and the blue in the back there. And then we have all these right here that I've collected. Part of the race team. We even have the boat. And this new Moto wing that I just picked up. And this motorcycle, which I got from K-Case. And the brand new sand burner, which I think is, let me see, do I have the name right? Yeah, sand burner from Q-Case. Oh no, I think this one's P-Case. Q-Case is the Moto wing. So P-Case, Q-Case. These are my two brand new ones. Just picked these up. And this one I had seen it before and I passed on it and it disappeared. So I didn't want to like miss out the opportunity on getting it now that I found it again. So I grabbed one. Pretty cool. All right, guys. So this is the giant sized race team. I've accumulated a bunch of cars. And I just wanted to show you these Novas and some of these red editions. And these cool race teams that I think I have these loose, but these are really cool too. And these are nice metal bodies on these die casts from probably last year or the year before. Not even sure, because the copyrights are all over the place on these because of all the situation, everything that happened with the pandemic. I think the cards are marked differently. I don't know if that has to do with it, but it could be. Who knows? All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna see you in the next one.